Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to Veena's Kitchen Table. Fish can be made in a variety of ways and each recipe is distinctly different from the other. Today, let's make grilled fish, a delectable recipe of wonderfully flaky and flavorful fish that you would love to make again and again. A plate of grilled fish with some sautéed vegetables is a whole meal. So let's not wait. Let's start cooking. Welcome back friends. So let's start making our grilled fish laced with lemon butter sauce that's flavored with herbs. Here we have about 800 grams of fish. I have taken here basa or cream dory. You could take any white fish that's fit for grilling. Salmon would be a good option. So would be mahi-mahi. So any firm fleshed fish fillet would be good for grilling. Here I have about 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of flour, that is maida, about 2 teaspoons of mustard paste, 1 egg. Then here I have 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, about 2 teaspoons of pepper, black pepper crushed finely, and about 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. We're going to mix all these things and make a batter and marinate our fish in that batter. So let's start marinating our fish. Drop in the egg, the garlic, the lemon juice, the all-purpose flour or maida, the mustard paste, our red chili flakes, pepper and parsley. We'll mix it up thoroughly. We haven't added salt, about 1 teaspoon of salt. Our batter is ready for the fish to marinate. So now we are going to put our fish pieces into this very flavorful batter. Drop the fish pieces into it. Wash the fish well and then leave it in salt, vinegar and a little atta. Rub to it. Leave it for some time and then wash it thoroughly well. Pat dry, removing all excess moisture. And now let's marinate our fish. If you don't have dried parsley, you could use the fresh one. We leave it for about half an hour in the marinade. While the fish is marinating in the marinade, we will prepare our veggies that go well with grilled fish. Here I have 1 green bell pepper or capsicum. If you have the red or the yellow variety, you could use it. I did not have one at home. That would give a lot of color. So a red or yellow bell pepper also is quite good. I've got 1 carrot cut into strips and broccoli. I have blanched my carrots and broccoli in hot water for about 2 minutes and drained it and kept it along ready. And once I grill my fish, I will saute these vegetables quickly and they go well as an accompaniment to grilled fish. To make our lemon butter sauce flavored with herbs, I've taken here about 1/4 cup of lemon juice, about 1½ teaspoons of butter, about ½ cup of fresh coriander finely chopped, about ½ teaspoon of crushed pepper, ½ teaspoon of dried parsley, about ½ teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and a pinch of sugar. So let's start making our grilled fish. We've kept our pan on the fire and it's hot. The fish has marinated for about half an hour. I'll pour in about 1½ teaspoons of olive oil and about half teaspoon of butter. Give it a nice swirl. The butter enhances the taste of the grilled fish. Now I'm going to place the fish into the pan. On medium-high flame, I will allow the fish to fry well on one side for about 2 to 3 minutes and then turn. It should form a nice golden crust. While our fish is frying, we'll saute our vegetables. We've taken another pot. Once the pot is hot, pour in about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Drop in about half teaspoon of pepper, and then our veggies, the broccoli and the carrots that have been blanched, and the capsicum. Give it a nice mix. Keep the flame on high. Our vegetables are already cooked. We don't want it to lose its crunchiness, so we'll just saute it for about 2 minutes, not more than that. Sprinkle a little salt and give it a good mix. Our vegetables are sauteing, and in the meantime we'll turn our fish. You can see the nice beautiful crust. Our vegetables have been sauteing for about 2 minutes, and that would be enough. We'll turn off the fire and remove it into a dish. I've taken out all the pieces of fish from the pan after grilling it well. Now in the same pan, I'm going to make the sauce for the fish, and that is the lemon butter sauce laced with coriander. The pan is already hot because I've just taken out the fish from the pan. I drop in the butter. Keep the fire on low so that we don't burn the butter. Once the butter melts, we'll add the diced chopped garlic. Raise the flame to a medium-high and fry the garlic. We don't have to brown the garlic because that makes it bitter, but a light golden color would be just fine. The flavor of the garlic gets infused into the butter, and that's very good for our sauce. Once the raw smell of the garlic has gone, we will add the lemon juice. At this point, we'll add our pepper, dried parsley and sugar. Give it a nice mix. Let it bubble up nicely. We'll add in our coriander. We haven't added any salt because the butter itself is salted. Now we'll add in a little salt, about 1/4 teaspoon. And now our sauce is ready. And let's dish out our fish with this wonderful sauce. So I've dished out the grilled fish along with our sauteed veggies. We'll drizzle a little sauce over our fish. And it's ready to go. That's yummy grilled fish with sauteed vegetables and lemon butter coriander sauce. It's wonderfully delicious and I'm sure you're going to love it. So let's not wait. Let's start cooking.